Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Water moves spontaneously from areas of higher water potential to areas of lower water potential. This fundamental principle of biology drives the entire transport process throughout the plant's vascular system. To continue moving upward, the leaf potential must be lower than the root's value. This gradient confirms that option A is the only claim supported by our biological measurements. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps for success.